$5 Goodwill challenge that's being hosted by Hillary of Old World Home. This is the spring edition of the $5 Goodwill challenge. I hope you enjoy my Goodwill piece. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thought I'd bring you along as I paint this mirror. This is a Goodwill purchase that I paid $5 for. It was marked at 10, but the color of the week was green, so I got it for 5, and it's big. Today I'm using Kills. What's it called? Kills chalk paint. Yeah, Kills chalk paint. Now I did a review on just comparing the consistency with other chalk paints in a video. I'll show you that video. I'll link it somewhere. But I was kind of impressed with the Kills. I think Kills has a great reputation for its primer, so I figured I'd give it a shot on this mirror. See how it goes. This is huge. The $5. It's funny, it was this, I couldn't find the tag on this mirror when I was at Goodwill, and I had to call for help to get them to come out and turn it over and all of that. And we still couldn't find the tag. It was at the bottom. It was so heavy, couldn't lift it up. But before we found the tag, one of the clerks had re-tagged it at $10, a red tag for $10. And then we finally saw the green tag and realized it was green $10, which meant that it was really $5. So how cool is that? So I think I'm liking the consistency of the Kills. It is reminding me a lot like the Waverly, but nothing is beating that Waverly. I gotta tell you, nothing is beating that Waverly. All right, so I'm gonna finish this one coat and come back. So I got 3 coats on this mirror with the Kills, and this is really looking chalky. I have to tell you, I'm not mad at it. So I think this is going in the dining room. I have a space on the wall that could use something, and a mirror is always good. So let's see what I can do with this.